As traders, we often encounter losses in the market. This makes us feel frustrated and think of giving up in trading. But the question is, anytime you make losses in the market, what do you do? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 key things I often do in the market anytime I encounter losses, and how I turn my losing trade into a winning trade. Not only that, I'm going to be trading using a strategy you can use to recover your losses into a profitable trade. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, the first thing I often do anytime I encounter losses in the market is to avoid the market for that day. Normally I often take 5 trades in a day. Let's say my first 3 trades I encountered losses. What I'll just do is to avoid the market for that day. I have to go out, go and chill, or probably hang out with friends or go for a ride-in. That is what I do to recover my sensitivity. I hope you're getting that right. So I do advise you guys, anytime you encounter a loss in the market, do not try to force your anger into the market, because the more you want to fight the market, the more you lose in the market. I hope you're getting that right. So anytime you enter a trade, let's say 2 or 3 trades and they are all losses, then just avoid the market for that day. I hope you're getting that right. So the second thing I often do anytime I take a losses is to go back and re-strategize my strategy. Most of the times a particular strategy may actually be working for you, and at a point in time it stops working. So what you need to do as a trader is to go back to your demo account, try out that particular strategy, and if it's still giving you a very poor result, then you can take another strategy, practice it for 2 or 3 days, know the lapses, know the strength of that particular strategy before you come back to your real account to apply it. That will really help you to increase your winning rate and increase your confidence in the market. I hope you're getting that right. The third thing I often do is to avoid over trading and remain disciplined. As a trader, you are expected to be very disciplined and avoid over trading, because over trading is pretty much risky for you. So the advice I'll actually give you is that in a day, the maximum trade you should take is 5 trades, and anytime you encounter 2 losses from your 5 trades, just avoid the market for that day. I hope you're getting that right. So you're not expected to take 20 trades, 30 trades, 40 trades in a day. That is absolutely rubbish, because the more you spend time in the market, the more you begin to see what is not possible in the market, trying to force out opportunity where there is no opportunity. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, these are the 3 things I often do anytime I make losses in the market, which is, first one, I avoid the market for that day. Second one, I tend to re-strategize my strategy and come back to the market. And the third one is to avoid over trading. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I want you to apply this in your trading journal or your trading plan, and let's see how well it can actually help you guys. So guys, I'm going to be trading using this particular strategy. It comes with 2 indicators. It comes with super trend and it comes with MACD. The settings of my super trend comes with ATR period of 10, the multiplier as 3. Right here on the style level, I'm going to be using these 2 colors, and I'm going to be using them on 2 pixels, and when you're done, just click on save. I'm going to be using MACD, which comes with the settings of the fast period of 12, slow period 26, while the signal period as 9. On the style level right here, I'm going to be using these colors, and I'm going to be using them on 1 pixels, and when you're done, just click on save. So I'm going to be using this strategy on 15 seconds candle time frame, and I'm going to be using it on the normal Japanese candlestick. Not only that, I'm going to be trading this strategy on 1 minute trade time. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found an opportunity right here. I'm going to enter this trade with $500 on this particular market right here. Now the reasons why I'm actually entering this trade is pretty much simple. I got confirmation from my 2 indicators right here. The super trend is actually asking me to buy on this particular trade. You can see this is the candlestick that triggers a buy signal from the super trend right here. I don't only consider that, I also come right here to my MACD level. You can see the 2 lines intersect each other, giving me an uptrend confirmation. Not only that, you can see my signal bar right here. It's actually printing out a green color right here, giving me an indication that there are enough liquidity to move this market towards an upward direction. I hope you're getting it right. So the first thing you need to consider as a trader anytime you're trading this strategy is to consider the signal from your super trend. As you can see, we're on the profit right there. Not only that, you must be able to see your MACD line crossing each other, giving you an uptrend confirmation, and also you should be able to see your signal bar printing out green, which confirms that there is enough liquidity to push the market towards an upside direction. I hope you're getting that right. That is a very simple one. It's a simple strategy, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you found an opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering for a sell trade right at this particular level, guys. And the reasons why I'm entering a sell trade right here is that you can see our super trend gives us a sell signal right here. It says this trade is actually going to go on a downward direction. Not only that, you can see our MACD line crossing each other, giving us a downtrend confirmation. Hope you're getting that right. You can see our signal bar right here giving us a red signal, giving us enough confirmation that there's enough liquidity to push this market towards a downside direction. So we'll have 17 seconds to go on this trade. Let's actually wait and see how this trade will play out. So guys, as you can see right here, we're actually on a very good trade right at this particular level. It's a very good trade right here. So guys, the first thing you need to note before taking a trade is that you must be able to confirm your super trend line giving you a good confirmation. You have to confirm it with your MACD lines has to cross each other, giving you a downtrend confirmation in the case of a lower trade. And also, you don't forget your signal bar is pretty much very important. You have to be printing out red color, giving you a signal that the market has enough liquidity to move towards a downside direction. Hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, guys, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found another opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering this trade for a buy trade right here. And the reasons why I'm actually entering this trade is pretty much simple, guys. As you all can see, this is actually a very good indication that this particular market will go on an upward direction. Firstly, our super trend triggers an indication that there's going to be a buy signal right here. Not only that, you can see our MACD line intersect each other, giving us an uptrend confirmation. And also you can see our signal bar right here printing a green color, giving us another signal that the market is going towards an upward direction. So guys, before you enter a trade, for you to actually have a better view of the market, you must be able to ensure you observe your market structure, because that is a very powerful one. Look at this particular chart right here. You can see the market has been forming a higher high, forms a higher low, and you can see a higher high right at this particular level right here. We expected the market to go on a higher ground right here. As you can see, guys, we're actually on a very good profit right here. So we're expecting the market to go as a higher high right at this particular level right here. So that is another confirmation. Aside from that, you can see there's actually what we call a reversal right here. This is what we call a retracement. Market retraces right here, and immediately the market is actually going in an upward direction. We have to place a trade because we're pretty much sure that we're going to be on a very good profit right there. And all those things I'm saying now is not pretty much clear to you, but if you really want to understand market structure, there's a video linked in this description. And also, if you really want to understand support and resistance in the market, there's also a video linked in this description that will really help you to understand how the market is being structured and how the direction of the market plays out. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market for the last trade, and when I find another opportunity, guys, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found a good opportunity right here, but before we enter this trade, you can see our two indicators has given us a very good entry level right here. You can see there is a reversal of candlestick right at this particular level. So what we need to see is a reversal of candlestick. We want a bearish candlestick to pull out before we can actually place our trade. So guys, another thing I really want to let you guys know is that you don't only enter a trade using your indicators alone. Sometimes it might be a fake out or it might be a fake signal. No indicators or indicator combination is really correct, but you have to also note that observing your candlesticks or candlestick patterns is pretty much very important on every trade you are taking. Right here, you can actually enter for a sell trade at this particular level right here. So as I've said initially, observing your indicators is not only what you need to see. You need to see market structure, and not only that, you also have to see your candlestick building up, giving you a very good market entry before you enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So right here, we're actually on the support zone right here. Just hope we'll be on a very good profit before the market reverses against us. So guys, we managed to be on a very good profit right there. So reasons why the market is reversing from here is that this is actually a support zone in the market. This is support zone. So the market is bound to reverse whenever the market hits a support zone. So that is the reasons why the market actually reverses right here. But at least we're able to meet up with a profit right there. So guys, as I've said initially, the first thing you need to consider before entering a trade is your indicators. Your super trend has to give you a signal. In the case of a sell trade, it has to give you a signal to sell. While in the case of a buy trade, it has to give you a signal to buy. Not only that, you have to confirm it with your MACD line, crossing each other, giving you an uptrend in the case of a buy trade and a downtrend in the case of a sell trade. And also your signal bar are pretty much important. It has to be printing out, giving you enough indication that there are a lot of liquidities in the market to push the market towards the upside or a downside direction. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this video, and if this video helps you, do ensure you hit the like button, share this video to your loved ones, and do ensure you comment your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any of our subsequent videos. So guys, till I see you again in another video, keep trading guys, and bye for now.